Hello, こんにちは。It's Sushi-Chan. Today, we will learn how to say I don't want something in Japanese. Are you ready? Let's get started. Last time, we learned how to say I want something in Japanese. Do you remember? Let's review it. Please say I want a bike in Japanese. The answer is 私は自転車が欲しいです。Great job! Then, if you want to say I don't want a bike in Japanese, you just simply change I to ku and then add nai after that. Nai means not. So, the answer is 私は自転車が欲しくないです。Do you understand this grammar rule? Let's take a look at one more example. If you want to say, I don't want milk in Japanese, first, you can make I want milk in Japanese in your mind, which is 私は牛乳が欲しいです。And then, to create I don't want milk sentence, you need to change I to ku and then add nai after that. So the answer is 私は牛乳が欲しくないです。And of course, if you can create the I don't want something structure from the beginning, you don't need to think about I want something sentence in your mind. One more example. How can you say he doesn't want natto in Japanese? The answer is 彼は納豆が欲しくないです。By the way, natto is a fermented soybeans. It's very common in Japanese breakfast. It is very sticky and smells weird if you are not used to it. If you're curious to know about natto, please check our Japanese recipe video number 2. Today's new words! Today you learned several new words. Please write them down on your vocabulary notebook so that you can memorize them. Bike, 自転車 Milk, 牛乳 Homework time! Please review I don't want something structure after this lesson. I will test if you understand these important grammar points. And of course, I will upload a weekly video about an introduction to cool Japanese culture during the week. Please check it out. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button. That way, you won't miss any future lessons. See you soon! Bye-bye!